This project could lead to a new law in the Commonwealth. That's at least what some college students are hoping. Their goal in their political science course was to create a plan to affect change in the community. That idea has turned into a House bill, making its way through the General Assembly. From the classroom to the Capitol, what a feeling to not just talk about the political process, but also to watch your work go before lawmakers when the General Assembly convenes.
If we can get this bill to the governor's desk, where hopefully he'll sign it, that'll be something that they'll remember for the rest of their lives.
Professor Robert Williams at Tidewater Community College talked to me about his political science class that decided their project would center around creating a bill to keep people from having to pay for crimes they were accused of after a judge finds that they weren't at fault.
That it was pretty much unfair to have people have to pay to clear their good names if they hadn't been convicted.
They were outraged that people could have crimes they didn't commit haunt them for years just because they don't have the money to pay to make them go away.
Maybe on the application it might say, please list your convictions, but your whole entire arrest record comes up, whether you've been convicted or not.
Once they created the bill to eradicate expungement fees, they had to find a lawmaker to carry it through.
It's been amazing. Students, they've kind of grabbed the spirit of activism, and they're really concerned how far, we can go.
Delegate Lionel Sproul, who represents parts of Chesapeake and Suffolk, saw promise in their plan, sponsored the bill, and says aside from the $110,000 it may cost the state in lost circuit court fees no longer coming in, he's optimistic. He gave me this statement today saying, "I feel real good about it. Everyone's very clear on it. If you spread that money across the Commonwealth, it's not a lot of money. I'm hoping it's not enough money to say no. I want them to see how the process works, that it's not just talk." House Bill 1442 has been approved by a court committee and now goes before the Appropriations Committee. Delegate Sproul says that he's hoping to have Professor Williams' class come up to Richmond if the bill goes all the way. Of course, I'll certainly update you on its progress.